beautiful morning to you all, my dear students. How are you all? Okay, I hope you are all fine and safe, isn't it? Okay. Now, I will show the homework review. Just verify your answer. Okay. Now, question. Write true factors for each of the following. First one, 77. Second one, 91. Isn't it? Now, 77. What are the factors? 1 into 77. Then 11 table, 7 into 11. 7 table also, isn't it? 7 into 11 and 11 into 7. So, thus we can write two factors of 77 are 1 and 7. Okay. Otherwise, 11 and 7. Any two factors we can write. Okay. Now, second question, 91. 91 is equal to 1 into 91 and 7 table, 7 into 13. 13 table also, isn't it? 13 into 7. Okay, what are the factors? We need only two factors, so we can write 7 and 13. Otherwise, 1 and 7. Otherwise, 91 and 13. Any two factors we can write. Okay. Now, write two multiples for each of the following. Isn't it? First one 10, second one 27. What are the multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. Isn't it? We need only two multiple. So, we can take any two multiple, 20 and 30, or other, we can take other numbers, 40, 50, 60, etc. Okay. Then, two multiples of 27 are 54 and 81. Isn't it? Then, we can write any other multiples of 27 also. Okay. Okay. Now, let's start our maths class. Okay. Last class we are learned about factors and multiples, isn't it? Okay. Now we are going to study about composite numbers, prime numbers and co-prime numbers. Okay. Okay. Types of numbers. Composite and prime numbers. What are the numbers? Composite and prime numbers. Now, first one, composite numbers. What is composite number? A composite number is a number which can be written as a product of factors other than 1 and the number itself. Once again, a composite number is a number which can be written as a product of factors other than 1 and the number itself. Okay. Now, composite number. Now, I took three composite numbers. 6, 15, 48. How these numbers are composite number? Can you say? Okay. Now, we can write 6. What are the factors? What are the factors for 6? 1, 2, 2, 3 are 6, again 3, then 4, 5, 6, then 6, isn't it? So, we can write 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the factors of 6, isn't it? These are the factors of 6. Now, we can write factors other than 1 and the number itself. Other than 1 and the number itself. What are the factors remaining? 2 and 3. 2 into 3 equal to 6. Isn't it? More than 2 factors. Okay, we can easily find out if the any one number have more than 2 factor. More than 2 factor means that is a composite number. For 6, how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors are there. Now here factors other than 1 and the number itself. 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3. Are you clear? Okay. Now, next one, 15. Now, we can write what are the factors for 15? 1, 3, 3 5s are 15, then 5, then 15. Isn't it? Now, we can write factors other than 1 and the number itself. Remaining, how many factors? 3 and 5. So 3 5s are 15. More than 2 factor means that is a composite number. Here 15 have 4 factors. So 15 is a composite number. Other than 1 and the number itself, the product of the composite number is a number which can be written as a product of factors. Okay, product of factor other than 1 and the number itself. Now here other than 1 and the number itself, 2 3s are 6, 2 and 3, then 3 into 5. Okay, a composite number has at least one factor other than 1 and the number itself. Other than 1 and the number itself, at least one factor. Here we have 2 factors, isn't it? So these numbers are composite numbers. Composite numbers. Are you clear? What is composite number? Prime numbers. What is prime number? Prime numbers are numbers which have exactly 2 factors. Okay, exactly 2 factors. That is 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. For example, 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 table. 1 into 2. Then 2 into 1. Isn't it? 1 table and 2 table. Have 2, isn't it? So we can write what are the factors? Factors of 2. What are the 1 and 2? 1 and the number itself, isn't it? Means that factor is, that is 1 and the number itself means that number is a prime number. Now here 2 have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So 2 is a prime number. Okay. Then next one more example. Now we can write 3. 3, what are the factors? 1 table. 1 into 3, 3. Then 3 into 1, 3. That's all, isn't it? What are the factors? Factors of 3 is equal to 1 and 3. 1 and the number itself. So 3 also prime number. Okay. Now listen, all even numbers, except 1, remaining all the even numbers are composite number. Except 1, except 2, remaining all even numbers are composite number, because that all except 2, remaining all even numbers have more than 2 factors. Okay, more than 2 factors. So remaining all even numbers are composite number. Only one even number is a prime number, that is 2. Okay, remaining all prime number is odd number. Okay, now here 3, then we can write 5. 5. What are the factors? 1 into 5. 1 and 5 table. So factors 1 and 5. So 5 also prime number. Now 6. 6 is a even number, isn't it? Yes, that is composite number. Now 9. 9 is a odd number. What are the factors? 1. 1 into 9. Then 3 into 3. Then 9 into 1. Isn't it? So we got what are the factors? 1, 3 and 9. 3 factor. More than 3 factor. So 9 is a composite number. 9 is not a prime number. Are you clear? What is prime number? Prime number means only exactly 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Means that number is a prime number. Composite number means more than 2 factors. Okay, more than 2 factors. Are you clear? What is composite? What is prime numbers? Okay. Okay. Aristophanes is a Greek mathematician to construct a table of prime numbers. Okay, to construct a table of prime numbers. How can you identify the prime numbers from this table? Here I wrote 1 to 100. Up to 100, how many prime numbers are there? We can find. Okay. Now listen here. This 1 is a neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime and nor composite. 1 is not a prime and composite. Okay. Now here 2. First we can cross out multiples of 2. Okay, 2 greater than 2. Okay, 2 greater than 2. Now here we can leave this 2. What are the multiples of 2? Remaining all numbers we can cross out. 2 2s are 4. 4 is multiples of 2. Isn't it? Then 3 2s are 6. All remaining all even numbers. Isn't it? Multiples of 2 means remaining all even numbers. We can cross out. Okay. So we can cross out 8. Then 10. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Then 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Then 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, then 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, then 92, 94, 96, 98 and 100. Now we have crossed out all even numbers. Isn't it? Multiples of 2. Now we can cross out 3. Multiples of 3 except 3. Remaining multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3 here? Here 3, 5, 3 table. 3 3s are 9. We can divide it by 3 means we will get remainder 0. That numbers we can cross out. Then here 15. 5 3s are 15. Then 18, 19, 29, 27. 9 3s are 27. Isn't it? 7 3s are 21. Then 35, 37, 39, 49, 47. 47 is no. So 45. Yes, 1 3 is 3. 5 3s are 15. 45. Then 41, 51, 53, 55, 57 is not in 3. Multiples of 3. Okay. Now here 61, 63 is a multiples of 3. 63 divided by 3 means remainder 0. We can say. Okay. Here 67, 69. Then 71, no, 73, 75, 77, 79. Then 81. 81 is a multiples of 3. Then 83, no. Then 85, no. 87, yes. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 balance 27, 9 3s are 27. Thus you divide it, will get remainder 0. Here will not get. Then 93 is a multiples of 3. Then 95, 97, 99. 99 also multiples of 3. Okay. Now we can write multiples of 5. Okay. Multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? Any number is there? Yes. One's place is 5 means that is multiples of 5. One's place is 5 or 0. Anywhere have 5 or 0? Yes. Here multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. This is also multiples of 5. Isn't it? 95. Isn't it? Remaining any numbers are there? Multiples of 5? No. Then 7. Multiples of 7. What are the multiples of 7? 7 is there? Here 7 table. No. Isn't it? 7 5s are 35. This is multiples of 5 also. Then here 39, 49, 47. Yes, no. Then 41, 51, 61, 71, 91, 83, 73, 53, 43, 33, 27, 30, 3. Then any numbers? Multiples of 7? Yes, 49 is a multiples of 7. Isn't it? 7 7s are 49. We are crossed out all multiples of 2, multiples of 3, multiples of 5, multiples of 7, isn't it? Now, we can find how many prime numbers are there up to 100, okay? Now, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Total 25 prime numbers up to 100. How many prime numbers are there? 25 prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers. Clear? On to 100. This one is neither prime nor composite. One is not a prime and not composite number. Are you clear? And one is co-prime number. What is co-prime? Two numbers that have only one as a common factor are known as co-prime numbers. Two numbers that have only one as a common factor are known as co-prime number. For example, 2 and 3. We can take 2 and 3. Okay, what are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. Isn't it? What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. Now here 3. What are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. Listen, here factors of 2 is 1 and 2. Factors of 3 is 1 and 3. Now here only 1 is a common factor, isn't it? 2 and 3, only 1 is a common factor. Here different factors, 2 and 3, isn't it? Here only 1 is a common. Only 1 is a common. So these numbers 2 and 3 is a co-prime numbers. Okay, two numbers that have only 1 as a common factor are known as co-prime numbers. So we can say 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers. This 2 and 3 is a prime numbers. All prime numbers are any two. We can take any two prime numbers means that two prime numbers are co-prime numbers. Okay, that two prime numbers are always that is two co-prime numbers. Suppose we can take 5 and 9. Here 5 is a prime number. Only two factors, isn't it? 1 and 5. But 9 is composite number because more than two factors. Okay, these two numbers are co-prime or not. Okay, now we can check 5. What are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. What are the factors of 9? 1, 3 and 9. Isn't it? Here only 1 is a common. Only 1 is a common factor are known as co-prime number. Here 5 and 9 have only 1 as a common factor. So 5 and 9 is a co-prime number. Are you clear? Okay. Now exercise 4.1. Which of the following pairs are co-prime number? Now first one 6 and 8. Now we can write 6. Factors of 6. What are the factors? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Isn't it? Then 8. What are the factors of 8? Factors of 8 equal to 1, 2, 4 and 8. Isn't it? Now here only 1 is common factor. Here 2 also common. If we have only 1 as a common means that is co-prime number. Here 1 and 2 is a common factor. So here 6 and 8 is not co-prime. Okay, we can write here common factors 1 and 2. What are the common factors? Therefore, common factors of 6 and 8 are 1 and 2. So we can write 6 and 8 are not co-prime numbers. Okay, are not co-prime. Clear? Okay, now we can move second question. Say 13 and 39. Now we can write factors of 13. What are the factors? 1 table and 13 table. Okay, 1 table and 13. 13 is a prime number. So, now 1 and that number itself is a factors. Okay. Now 39. Factors of 39. 39 also prime number because the factors of 39 is 1 and that number itself. Here only 1 as a common. So, we can write therefore only 1 as a common. So, we can write 13 and 39 are co-prime numbers. Okay, 13 and 39 are co-prime numbers. Now, third one, 9 and 10. Okay, factors of 9. 1, 3 and 9. Now, here factors of 10. 10. What are the tables? 1 table, then 2 table, then 5 table also have 10, 5 table, then 10 table, isn't it? So, what are the factors? 1, 2, 5 and 10. What are the factors of 9? 1, 3, 9. Now, here only 1 is a common. So, we can say 9 and 10. Therefore, 9 and 10 are co-prime numbers. Okay, co-prime numbers. We can write 9 and 10 are co-prime numbers. Okay, are you clear what is co-prime? If you take any two numbers, that is that factors, only one is a common factor means that is a co-prime number. Now here first one 6 and 8. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. Factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, 8. Here 1 and 2 is a common. So we can't say this is a co-prime. So we can write 6 and 8 are not co-prime numbers. Okay. Then second one 13 and 39. Factors of 13 is 1 and 13. 1 table and 13 table. Isn't it? Now factors of 39 is 1 and 39. Now 13 and 39 are co-prime number because here only one is a common factor. Now here 9 and 10 also co-prime because here one is a common factor. So we can say 9 and 10 are co-prime numbers. Okay. Okay students, homework, book page number 40, exercise 4.1, question number 5 and question number 6. Question number 6, fourth question and fifth question. Okay. Now here question number 5, you can use Z of Eratosthenes table. Okay. Using that table and write the answer. Okay. We will meet next class. Thank you.